In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung TV when the menu language is wrong. First thing you need to do is press the home button on your remote and go to Settings, General, System Manager, and then the language. Select your preferred language. If the menu is in a language you don't understand, look for globe icon or the menu position for language, as it usually stays in the same spot. After selecting correct language, restart your TV to apply changes, and you can also check for software update under Settings, Support, Software Update, and since outdated firmware can sometimes cause the menu language to reset. Additionally, if your TV is connected to the internet, disable auto update under Settings, Support, Auto update to prevent the language from changing during the updates. And that's it.